Okay, so transition elements. Okay, transition element, unsur peralihan. The blue color is where you can find the transition elements. So if you have a transition element located between group 2 and group 13 of the periodic table. So dia terletak di antara kumpulan 2 dan kumpulan 13 jadual berkala. So semua yang berwarna biru ini kita katakan sebagai unsur peralihan. So remember, I'm going to highlight one information here. Look at this, zinc, Zn. Also in this category, ya, termasuk dalam transition element. Tetapi some scientists they will assume zinc cannot be included into the transition element. There will be a reason why later. I know I have one question related to this. We'll discuss later. So by now you know already the transition metal. Let me introduce some terms. Famous members. Like here below the group 5 here, the first member here, vanadium. Very famous. This is vanadium. This is chromium, like dichromate. This is a chromium. This is mangan. So manganate 7, you know, this is the potassium manganate 7. This is the mangan involved. Then iron, Fe, besi, all right, ferrum, this is the one very famous as well. And then nickel, another famous component we'll be studying later, nickel. Then copper, very famous in chemistry. So copper also under transition metal as well. Below copper, this is silver, Ag, silver. Below silver, this is aurum. Aurum means gold, not that famous, but no, in chemistry, not that famous, but daily life, yes, aurum is gold. Pt, that means platinum. All right, this is a platinum. For SPM level, platinum is more famous. This guy is not. This is palladium. Another similar properties as well, palladium and platinum. But kita akan belajar tentang platinum sedikit. So Hg adalah mercury. This is mercury. Okay, so we don't study much. Then we'll be studying about zinc, of course, a lot. Cd means cadmium. Cadmium is another element. So, but at the moment, you remember vanadium, mangan, ferrum, nickel, copper, platinum also okay. All right, remember these few elements, members. Now, physical properties of transition elements here. First, we'll see their physical properties. At the same time, what we can use it for. First, they are shiny because they are metal, so they have a shiny surface. Because of that, we can use what we call this transition metal to make coins. So the coins, new coins are very shiny because of the transition elements here. Second property is that they are good conductors because they are metal. They are good conductor. Either they are, you can take it as a good heat conductor, or they are also very good in electrical conductivity as well. But generally, they're good conductor of heat and electricity. Next, they have high melting point. Due to these two, high melting point and also good conductivity, all right, because of these two, we can use them as electrical appliance or heat appliance. We can use them to like a boil water or cook food, anything. Heat as a wire to conduct electricity. Boleh juga, okay? Kerana dia good electrical conductor. We can make like a pots as well for cooking and so on. Alright, ini dua karakteristik dia. Okay, next kalau kita lihat malleable and ductile. Okay, what is malleable? Malleable means you can knock them into a particular shape. Whatever shape that you want. Let's say you want to make a statue, you can knock into a particular design or particular shape. Ductile means you can pull the metal into a long string. That is ductile. So malleable, you can knock, boleh tempa mereka ke bentuk-bentuk tertentu. Alright, like for example, you can knock into a particular shape for the car body, a particular shape. Boleh kita boleh ketuk-ketuk mereka. Ductile, that means mulur. Mulur maksudnya kita boleh tarik dia menjadi dawai yang panjang. Okay, this malleable and ductile. Another property here is they're very hard, very strong, and very tough. Alright, these two, malleable, ductile, and hard, strong, and tough, kita boleh combine dia punya sifat-sifat ini dalam bidang pembinaan, construction. Alright, dan juga dalam bidang membina objek-objek tertentu. Like nak buat, let's say, grill pintu, corak-corak mereka, we can make a particular pattern. So that's malleable. So in construction and so on. So very widely been used in daily life. Okay. Next, kalau kita lihat ini, contoh gold. Gold, you can knock into a particular shape if you want to. So gold is the most malleable metal. So other than that, we can also use transition metals in construction. Like all these are ferrum, besi. To that, of course, we call this as steel. So steel came from iron, from ferrum. To the ferrum, we add carbon, so we can form steel. How much carbon we add? The more you add, the stronger the steel will be. Okay, this in construction.
Let's go!